Good morning, everyone. Amy Conley here with United Way of Door County. It is Monday, May 12th. If you were able to spend some time outside this weekend, what a wonderful weekend. I got a little sun yesterday while visiting my family, so that was great. Hopefully, it's the beginning of a summer tan. Let's see, May's Mental Health Awareness Month. This past Saturday, we had the poker run, Jeep run to benefit Stride. A huge thank you to everyone who showed up. Thank you to our establishments, the people behind the bars serving our guests the food, the drink, the volunteers who helped out. We don't have total numbers yet, but we will get there. Our sponsors, Bank of Luxembourg, Bay Marine, S&L Motors. I'm going to miss some, but Ace Hardware, Peninsula Title, True North Realty, Fresh Coast, Stone Harbor, Foxglove, and I feel I missed one, so I'm really sorry if you're the one I missed. But it was a great event. Thank you to everyone who came out. Thank you to everyone for being safe and fun and supporting such a wonderful cause. Looking ahead now, people have been asking if it's a slow time of year, which made me realize we haven't really been talking about what goes on behind the scenes this time of year. So one, we've got some staff changes going on. So our director of operations position, Kelly Hellman, is retiring later this year. Tanya Fisher has come in and is going to be her replacement. So we're in training mode there. We're working on a lot of things for our audit right now. We are starting to plan our August campaign. Well, we've been planning, but now more efforts around planning. Working on Thriving in Door County, working on childcare, continuing with the diapers and wipes program. So all the things that we do pretty much all the time, those continue. And even though we're not actively fundraising for our annual campaign, funds continue to come in. We're always working on those things. We're working with our partners right now on scheduling some meetings, learning more from them what they need. We're doing a lot of grant writing right now as well. So lots of different things going on right now in the United Way world. Volunteers, so I know I've got some new volunteer opportunities to post. So Volunteer Connections is still on the United Way website, unitedwaydc.com. If you go to that page, click the volunteer button, that is going to show you the list of all of the different volunteer opportunities that we have. I think 6 new ones came in last week. So I will be working to get those on social today, tomorrow, so you can see those and know what's going on there. However, if you're anxious to find about summer volunteer opportunities, again, please just go to our website, unitedwaydc.com. We try to keep that as up to date as possible and as interactive and engaging as possible. So the changes might not always be obvious changes on the homepage, but there might be a tab that has an update or something like that. We're hoping to get a little better with our newsletter in the next few months here, and then that will also let you know what those changes are on our website. So as we work through not only our director of operations staff position, but we've got some of our health positions that either have been vacant, partially vacant, or are having some turnover. As we stabilize all of those things, that will also give me more time to be able to talk to you, our friends, our volunteers, our donors, and using that newsletter, using more videos like this, so some different vlog postings, but also some blog postings. So going, something we haven't done in probably 6 years is some blogging. So letting folks know what we're doing on a more regular basis and digging in depth on some of those issues to help you better understand those. Saturday was also the Letter Carriers Food Drive. So a huge thank you to everybody who helped collect the food, to our postal carriers, to our food pantry volunteers, and all of you who donated non-perishable food. We're super thankful for that. Food insecurity continues to be a huge issue here in Door County, so any of those donations help. I think that's all I've got for today. Have a great week, everybody. Enjoy the sunshine. That vitamin D is good for your mental health. Thanks, everybody. Bye bye.